Edo 2020. Muslim pilgrims for Edo don knack Obaseki Ogbonge Award as he commissioned the Hajj camp wey he built for them. Candidate of People's Democratic Party wey still be governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, him deputy and running mate, Right Honourable Philip Shaibu, former governor of Kano State, Rabiu Kwankwaso, and Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa don join body commission the Hajj camp wey Obaseki built for Muslims for the state. The commissioning wey shele for Benin City on Friday, September 11, 2020, na wetin Chief Imam, Muslim faithfuls, political stakeholders and other ogbonge people for Edo State join body do. Kwankwaso wey commission the building on behalf of Governor Godwin Obaseki clap hand for the governor for all the better things wey he don do for the state. He yarn say he don try well for Edo Muslims and e go good make all of them join body vote for am come September 19.
So we thank Almighty God and pray that we continue to have peace in Edo State and in Nigeria. Keep on praying for all of us. Keep on praying for peace and make sure on the day of election, remember what the governor has done for the Muslim Ummah in Edo State. I'm so impressed by seeing this huge edifice. And I thank you, Governor, for giving me this opportunity to commission it. And I pray to Almighty God to bless this building, to bless Muslims and Christians and everybody in Edo State. Amen. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I want to cut this tape to declare this edifice up and make sure that you make the best use of it and ensure that Edo State is peaceful. Pray for Governor, pray for Deputy Governor, pray for all of us so that we can continue to prosper. And make sure on the 19th, on Saturday the 19th of this month, all Muslims, Ummah and Christians vote for PDP. Thank you. Bismillah. Godwin Obaseki Hajj camp built and commissioned by His Excellency with my support. This day of 11th September 2020. Thank you.
After the commissioning, Governor Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, Ifeanyi Okowa, Rabiu Kwankwaso and other ogbonge people wey join body follow do the commissioning come carry waka go check the new building. Chief Imam for Edo State, Alhaji Ibrahim Enabulele yarn say belle sweet all of them well on top this ogbonge thing wey Governor Obaseki don do for them. And na this one come make all of them agree say them go join body vote for am make e fit continue this kind thing.
This governor has done a lot, not only for the Muslims, for the generality of Edo people. And it is our collective agreement that having done well in the last 4 years, that they should come back and continue the good work he has started. Is that the agreement of everyone? So inshallah, Suma Sebila Yasarahu, Suma Sebila Yasarahu, Obaseki Shwaibi, everyone. So inshallah, may God Almighty Allah grant our request.
Chairman on top Edo State Muslim pilgrimage, Ibrahim Oyarekwai, come knack Governor Godwin Obaseki Ogbonge Award as the best performing governor of Edo State. He yarn say Governor Obaseki don do wetin past governors of Edo State don abandon for the past 50 years. And na him be the first governor wey dey give Muslims ogbonge recognition for the state. And na this one go make Muslims for Edo vote for am.
I want to make sure that I did very unique in the era of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State. Within 1967 up to 2017, 1967 to 2017, that is a period of 5 decades, 50 good years. No government, property or project within this period of 50 years was attracted to this premises. So His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, was the first governor After 50 years, he has stepped his foot on this place. And in less than 1 year, this project was completed. When the clan head of EDO to please come forward and join me to present this award.
Governor Obaseki come follow the Muslim brothers and sisters yarn as he tell them say na wetin dem elect am to do, na him don do so. He talk say this one na small one compared to wetin him go still do if dem re-elect am for second time. He salute the chief imam and all the Amiru Hajj wey don help Edo Muslims do their Hajj waka.
What we are doing is consistent with who we are, which is that Edo is like this. In Edo State, God has truly blessed us. So if we are to worship and acknowledge God, we should recognize that diversity and see our strength in that diversity. So for us, as a government, we are the government for all Edo people, no matter their religious leanings. So it has never been a problem. We have never had any difficulties in attending to the needs of Muslim brethren. God gave us the grace that His people also worship here or they use this facility and give us the insights to help make this place a lot more comfortable for you before you set out for your Hajj. This is just the first phase of the total revamp of this camp. I know we have received a bill of quantities to build the administrative section, and that should start in a sense very quickly. I've also instructed that room be made for the expansion of this facility, and I've been informed that the negotiations have progressed, and I hope we can close that before the end of this year. I want to use this opportunity to thank some of you here who have served as Amiru Hajj for our citizens who have had to go on Hajj, particularly Your Royal Highness and the Chief Imam of Benin Mosque. You have made us proud. We've not had an incident since I became governor where we have lost anybody or our pilgrims have come back from Hajj with any complaints. I want to use this opportunity to publicly thank you and to encourage all of you to continue to be strong in your faith and in your practice of your faith. I also want to use this opportunity to thank all of you who interceded in the crisis in the Benin Mosque. And I just want to thank the leader of Muslims in Edo State, the Otaru of Auchi, for his intervention and the resolution of that problem and that challenge. I urge all of you to continue to exist in peace, to work together, brethren of the same faith, and to assure you that your government, our government, will always look out for your interests.
This one and the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin Obaseki and some other ogbonge PDP chieftains don go commission the Hajj camp wey im built for them. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Roko Idoleyi from Benin.